After traveling Asia for 1 year, making the best food reviews on YouTube, we're finally taking a good look at my glorious lifestyle.
You have to pay me for that.
And what it's really like to eat street food for a living, staying in 5-star hotels and driving my new badass vehicle. Spending money like never before. This is my new lifestyle and I love it. Let's find out how you can become like me. Okay, so we are here in Tao Deng Park in Saigon. It's Sunday, people are dancing, some kids are peeing on the street. It's the perfect Sunday. Let's start the questionnaire that people have asked me for. So let's get started. That is the camera we should have. First question comes from Fred X Koning. Is there any Asian food that is similar to surströmming? And surströmming is a Swedish fish that is rotten. It's very common. Internet people eat this and they almost vomit. But actually, there is one in Hanoi. I tried it. It's on the street. It's sua bien, which is like a jellyfish, and they serve the fermented fish sauce to that. And it's so similar, and it's crazy. It's just not good, okay? Just don't try it. Don't try it. Second question comes from Shao's The World. What is the obstacles you had to face while making food videos? It's pretty funny she asked this now, because now it's raining, okay? That's an obstacle. You sit on the street, you sweat, you eat the spicy pho, you have everybody watching you. It's just really hard to make videos. But you know what? You know what? Noises, it's just so worth it in the end of it, you know? It's just so worth it. This is a huge camera, man. 800mm?
Right.
Whoa, you can see really far, right?
Right.
You see any nice birds?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
What bird do you see?
The bird with the big mouth.
A bird with a big mouth?
Yes.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, man.
Yeah.
Enjoy your bird watching.
Yes. Enjoy your making video. Okay, never mind. Man, it looks like they have a great time. This comes from DM3, which is actually you, cameraman. How can you ask people to record when you make a video? That's actually a pretty decent question. Thing is, I just show up, okay? I don't call them or make them know beforehand. And usually they're okay with it, actually. They're more than happy to accommodate you. So you can just show up and be like that white weirdo who makes a food video. Should I just go over and sit there? Maybe they won't notice. Can I be part of the club?
You can apply your application form. You can wait until next year. We will recruit you.
You know, this is what I like about Vietnam. They have everyone's eating together here in a circle. It's really cozy.
How old are you?
Can you guess?
25.
25 is a pretty good guess. 23. That's what
You single?
If I'm single? Yes.
We are all single.
I make YouTube videos about food. I'm a really famous YouTuber. How much can you earn from making YouTube videos?
$500 to $10,000.
Good guess. I'm just kidding, I'm not a famous YouTuber. Like banana?
She loves so bad. She loves banana. She loves foreign boys a lot, especially you. My name is Dragon.
Why would you even call yourself Dragon? What like special ability do you have to call yourself a dragon?
So my Vietnamese name is Long, which means like long.
Yeah.
You know long?
Long.
Yes.
You're not that long, are you? Vietnamese Hospitality. So wonderful people, it's crazy. This is why I love Vietnam, to be honest. I have to thank the dragon. Where's the dragon? Sit down, my friend, I'll give you a massage. Thank you so much, man.
So thank you, too.
Thank you, Dragon and Tiger.
Yay.
Okay, good. This is actually pretty good to have now because it's really relevant. Which part is the biggest culture shock for you? And actually, this is pretty easy to answer. And just as you saw with the Vietnamese sitting in a circle,
that is the biggest culture shock to me. People are so social here. Like every time they eat together, everything they do is together. Man, in Sweden, you are so individualistic. You do everything yourself. This comes from Nuc Tui Tien. What is your favorite dish in Vietnam? This is so hard, honestly. There's so many good foods in Vietnam. If I had to say one, I think I'll go with nem nung, which is like grilled pork with peanut sauce. It's amazing, especially in Dalat, where I recorded it. Đẹp trai. Come on. Is this like a new fashion in Vietnam?
Jacket style.
Jacket style.
Wow.
Oh my god, man. Is it good?
Yeah. So. Not every girl likes you.
They didn't before.
But now they do.
Yeah, okay. So they didn't like me before. Now they do.
Yeah.
Because I have this, right?
Yeah, that's right.
You really saved me, man.
If you don't believe, just ask.
Yeah, it's better now, right?
Yes.
They're really quiet, man. It's not.
This is cool, man. No, we should do that.
Oh my god, that was a really bad high five. I have finally joined the Saigon fashion. I've been told that this is the way you should have it now. It's really trending. It's yeah, it's highly fashionable. Yeah, it's apparently. Oh, fuck! I lost it. Damn, I want a drone, man. I want a drone. Yu Cheng 13. In your opinion, which country has the best food? Man, this is so hard, to be honest, like seriously. If I have to summarize it from all the places I've been to and all the food I've tried, I think Thai food is really high up there, actually. But I mean, all of Asia, they have great food. It's just that you have to find good restaurants. What is 3 things you have learned through traveling? This comes from Yuan Parkmal. The thing with traveling is that you think that you learn everything, but at the same time, nothing. So there's like so much to see, so much to learn. This is an endless journey of learning, you know? So I can't really say 3 things, but that's the way I would say it. Maybe that's too serious, I don't know. Hey, let's make a funny video and make serious questions at the same time. God damn it, man. Are you ready? The moment you've all been waiting for. How much can you earn from making YouTube videos? How much have I earned from making YouTube videos for 1 year? Here's the big reveal. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. And as you can see, it's almost nothing, okay? Making YouTube videos is not about money, it is about having fun, doing things you love, and I love food and travel. We just reached 5,000 subscribers and over 300,000 views, which is amazing. You really get lost in numbers when you do this kind of thing. You just want more and more and more, you know, do more growth. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for supporting me throughout this time, and I hope to grow tremendously. So make sure you subscribe. And as always, guys, stay hungry.